Let me tell you about how I married a serial learner and had no idea. Now, I'm going to redact all the names and locations for obvious reasons, but I want to tell this story just in case you ever come across a serial learner, so you can know what to look for and recognize the signs. So we first met at a coffee shop. He was there working on his laptop, and we struck up a conversation about my sweatshirt. I had on my University of Colorado Boulder hoodie on, and he mentioned that he was taking online classes through Coursera. And you know what? That was the first red flag. All he could talk about was how convenient it was to learn online and how he started out just taking a few courses here and there and didn't even realize he was earning credit towards his degree. It was some kind of pathway degree. I don't know. Him and his degrees. You would think one was enough. But he completed his undergrad degree from UNT and then earned a master's degree from CU Boulder through Coursera. And he has all this confidence to go out for all these jobs and ask for all this money. And yeah, you might be saying, why are you so upset? What's wrong with a little ambition? Well, it's not what you think. Okay, so like I was saying, I married a serial learner. I thought after we tied the knot that he'd stop all this learning, but it only got worse. And the fact that he could learn on Coursera from anywhere at any time was just, ugh. We're on the way to Cabo for our honeymoon. He's watching a course on the plane. We're at the beach. He's taking a quiz. I mean, sure, I was sleeping on the plane and taking a nap on the beach, but still. Stop lying, girl. You were just telling me how much you love his ambition. Stop lying for a click. Yeah, I mean, I do love his ambition, but still. At least he took you on a trip. I heard you can learn from anywhere on Coursera. Y'all went to Cabo. Count your blessings, girl. I know he took me on a honeymoon, but that's not the point. The point is, this is his mother. We need to talk right now. Oh my gosh, y'all, I gotta go.